Hello everyone, today we are going to work on fast traveling. So when I open the map, you can see my character is here and there is a house here and some checkpoint B here. So let me select B and press fast travel button. Now you see my character is teleported into that location in the map. Similarly, if I select another location, like for example this house, and fast travel, I am there. So yeah, let's see, this is what we are going to work on today. Okay, so now I have a way of opening the map and selecting a waypoint, checkpoint location like this. So the next thing I want to do is implementing fast travel. So for that, when I first select a checkpoint, I need to have some maybe a button or something to get the fast travel option. So for that, let's go to the map widget and here let's add a button. So how should we add the button? Let's just add a simple button. It should come under this main canvas panel. Let's anchor it to the bottom right. Alignment 0.5 by 0.5 so that the middle point will be the alignment, and position X minus 300 minus 300 minus 50 minus 50. Alright, will this work? Let's see. So we need to have a text. Under this. So this button should be a bit bigger. Let's try 200 by 50. Change the text to fast travel. Okay, now change the color. Okay. Maybe we should set the location on 50. Oh, sorry. 75. Right. This seems better. Okay. So now we should make this visible only if we have selected a checkpoint. I'll rename this btn fast travel. So by default, let's make this hidden. Visibility to hidden. And when I open the app, I will not see that. See. So once I select an icon, we can enable fast traveling. But to actually do the fast travel, we need to know the world location of the position that we need to teleport the character. So for that, this is map icon, this is HUD, and this is how we initialize the icons on the map. So when we do that, we get this map icon data, and here we actually get the location, but we consider only the position. So I think it would be better if we keep a reference to whatever the actor that is represented by this icon inside this icon widget. So here in this map item interface, let's add another output. Should be a actor object reference. Okay, and now we have to modify in all the places that I have used this interface. So that means, oh wait, no, not this. Get map icon data. We have an icon component, HUD, checkpoint. Here we have to get a reference to self in the checkpoint, and into the person character. So the same, get a reference to self. By self, that means the object currently implementing this interface. And where else? This is icon component. So here we this is not the same interface event. So yeah, that's all. Okay, now here in the init icon, we can add another input in the type of character object reference. So let's name this word actor. Let's promote this to a variable as the word actor, same name, and set it. Okay, and then we can connect this output like this. So we do have a reference to whatever the word context object that is represented by each icon. So now inside the map icon, when we select this, we can set a fast travel destination. So, but how? In the VPI map, I'll add a function set fast travel destination. As an input, we can give a vector location, and we can implement it here in the HUD. Set fast travel destination. Promote this to a variable fast travel destination. Right, now in the map icon, when we select this particular icon, we already have a reference to the HUD here. We can call set fast travel destination with the location of the world actor. Get actor location. Okay. Now when we press this button, we need to actually enable fast traveling. So for that also we need another this BPI map interface event fast travel. Right, so here what we have to do is let's enable implement fast travel event just like this, so we can get player character set actor location with this fast travel destination. And one more thing, we should make the fast travel button visible when we set fast travel destination. How can we do that? We already have a reference to widget map. Can we get btn fast travel? Yes, we can. And we can set visible. Set visibility .draw. Also, when we open the map, it should be, the visibility should be disabled until we select an icon. So how we do that? Think in the widget map. I think this construct is called every time we add the map widget into the viewport. When we toggle the map, we add it to viewport, and when we hide it, what we are doing is removing it from parent. So here, if I get the fast travel button, set visibility to hidden, this should work. Right, now let's see. By default we don't have the fast travel icon. If I press, we get it. Wait, let me save everything before trying it out, just in case the editor crashes. Okay, now this black icon is where the player is. So let's select this house and enable fast travel and close the map. Did we move? We didn't move. Yeah, there is no way to move because we still didn't call the fast travel fast travel event from Minivia. And also when we call fast travel, we should, after that we should hide the map. So toggle map with the false, we should call it. Right, now from the map select the button on clicked. We can get player controller, get HUD, fast travel. Okay, now everything should work. Let's see. Let me move this a bit further away. Alright, now first I'll select the house and fast travel. Okay, I think we are moved there, but the game didn't. The game was still in the pause mode for some reason. Why? Okay. So actually the reason is we pause the game in the input. So we need to unpause the game if we are to disable the map and move the character. So set game post to false. Maybe it would be better to handle this part also inside the player controller itself, but for now I'm going to tolerate it. Select the house, fast travel. Okay, now we are at the fast travel. Now we are at the house, and we don't really see anything else. So here we have something. Let's open the map again. Select B, fast travel. Now we are at B. Select A, fast travel. Now we are at A. Okay, but let me open the player controller. Here when we toggle map, we set the game paused and unpaused, and also this based on this flip-flop, this toggle map function is called. So because of that I had to press M twice, and the next time after fast traveling when I am trying to open the map. So instead of using a flip-flop, it would be better if we use a branch here. No, like this. Let's promote this to a variable. This condition. Map open. And get the note. If the map is not open, we have to open the map. If the map is open, we have to close the map. So here set map open to false when we close it. And set it true when we open the map. Okay, and now we have another problem. Oh, the problem is that if this variable is not updated when we close the map, from the fast travel option. So we don't have option but to add another interface. BPI PC map. PC stands for player controller, and toggle map. Oh wait, not toggle map. Toggle map, and let's add a input so we can specifically define whether to open or close the map. So open, close. Right. So now in the player controller, let's implement BPI PC map. Let me get some space closer to the toggle map. Event toggle map, implement it through BPI PC map. So here let's promote this part to a macro. Oh my god, why is that? Am I using anything? What's the reason for that? I'm not sure. Right, we have selected this one also. Now we can, let's name this toggle map. M stands for macro. This one is open, this one is close. So here it's under branch. If it is open, then we can call open. If it is false, then we can call false. Right, now in the HUD, when we call fast travel, we can set the location of the player and then get the controller, close the map by calling toggle map with a false. Oh sorry, we should call toggle map with this BPI PC map interface. That part is important, otherwise you will end up calling this toggle map function, which does not take care of opening, closing and setting the game post or on post. Okay, now let's see. Fast travel. Okay, it is working. When I press M, I can now open the map without any issue. Fast travel, great. So since this map looks same in every place, we don't really see any difference, but here is the, let's make some changes. Let's put this one, this B on top of this mountain. So you can easily notice the difference. Like this. Okay, now we are closer to the mid of the map. One more thing. By default, this map open should be false. Default value is true. That's wrong. If you leave it true, you will have to press M twice initially in order to open the map. Okay, now the character is here. If I press B and fast travel, I am there. See? Okay, and if I select, now you can see in the map also the character is here. If I select house and fast travel, the character is near the house. Alright, so fast traveling works without any issue. And I think we can stop this episode right here. And let me show you one more issue that we have here. We can actually select these characters also and can fast travel near them. So maybe in a future episode I'll do an episode. I'll implement a system to filter out those fast traveling into these characters to disable it, so we can only fast travel into selected specific locations. And I noticed this issue when we zoom in, the icon locations are not actually updating. It's correct only for the zoomed out way. Oh, why is that? Okay, but I will solve that issue in another episode, in the next episode perhaps. And thanks for watching. So as always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.